Each October, my friends and I plan a camping trip to a remote location in the Utah desert. Over the years, we've been to the Hanksville Badlands, the Capitol Reef backcountry, and this year we headed to the desert east of Arches National Park. But first, it was time for pizza at Chow Hound in Green River.
We're wondering if the pizza's even going to fit on the table.
Or do you want to fry for scale?
Yeah, fry for scale. The pizza did fit. Look how good this looks.
Oh, Nate, watch that. Oh, look out! We're going to crash!
We have to be all sensationalist, you know, so we get all those YouTube views.
Like and subscribe.
That's right.
Friend.
Out exploring with my friends this weekend just east of Arches National Park. Areas where roads have been carved into the desert, and we're near some old mining things here, and we're going to check out the view, hopefully fly the drone and explore a bit. Should be a good weekend.
Mining for precious metals and even uranium has been a part of Utah's history since the 1800s, and remnants of old mines can be found scattered all over southern Utah.
What does that window there?
Well, better there than in my tire.
A little sandy out though. How's that look? Look all right?
Take it left. Yeah.
How's the running board?
More left. There you go. Up, up, up.
I got her. I got her.
Next up, it was time to hike to Covert Arch. While I spotted this location on my maps, there was no trailhead and no trail to get to this amazing view. I feel like Covert is a fitting name for this arch because you might walk out on that finger of rock and not even know the arch was right below you. The area around Covert Arch was added to Arches National Park in 1998.
Sounds very not great.
The next morning, we decided to hike to Utah's most famous arch from a totally unique direction. After crossing the fence at the park boundary, we just walked south across the open fields until we joined up with the main trail across the slick rock. Delicate Arch is always busy, and this day was no exception. But You never know who you might run into at such a popular place.
Hold on. Beautiful. Beautiful. All your fears, all your worries, they're gone.
Having great spotters like you guys.
Our last stop was Dome Plateau Overlook. Hundreds of feet below, we could see the Colorado River, Fisher Towers, and Periot Mesa in the distance. A little rock crawling to get us back to the main road. And then it was time to end the trip at Quesadilla Mobilla on Main Street in Moab. Thanks so much for watching.